Hello traders, welcome to the YouTube channel of Elliott Wave Forecast. Today is 9th of January, 1 a.m. GMT. Here's Helgi, and we're looking on the chart of Dow Jones Futures 30 minutes. Here we have printed the top, the all-time high on the 2nd of January, and from the highs we're pulling back in 1 hour. We saw WX and then lower. W in three swings, bounce has failed, and then we have opened bearish sequence by breaking below the January 3rd. This means that we are favoring here more downside into 100%, which has been reached, which is 37,534, 37,427. From this area, we are expecting bounce in three swings to fail against 3815. Currently, it is developing as a ABC expanded flat structure. The break of the lows of January 5th has meant that technically we have opened another bearish sequence. Bearish sequence doesn't mean that we should fail against wave A, but bearish sequence means that after bounce, this continuation pattern should fail and then we should extend lower in wave Y in black. Currently, X is happening as expanded flat. Using A and B, we can provide with typical targets. These are 1, 2, 3, 6, 1, 6, 1, 8 measured based on the wave A. Now 1236 has been reached, 37,936. Next target is 38,081. Once finished in 5 waves, we see here 1, 2 extension high in wave 3 is happening, then pullback in wave 4 should find support, and then more update into wave 5 of CFX, and then turning lower. In 4-hour charts, we can see a larger view. After ending W and X, we are favoring more downside into wave Y. Now we can measure later once we will end the X, or for example if X is done for this case, already the typical target will be 100%, 1618 for wave Y in black for the third swing out of 7. Now while below 37,954, assuming that the top is in place of this connector, it can reach now lower towards 37,343, 36,965. Then we expect bounce to fail again in 3 or 7 swings, and then more downside in swings 5, 6, 7 should happen. Right now we don't like trading, also we don't like buying into this bounce in wave X. The next opportunities will be once we will end W and X and making lower low in wave A, then technically bounce in wave B can be sold for the final push lower in wave Y or 4. How we will know where we are going in 7 swing? We will be using W and X in 4-hour charts to provide with next target. Here, once we'll see W and X, typical target would be 36,879, 36,310. Also, we can be using wave 4 retracement. Typically, wave 4 reaches 0.246, 0.5. So this is typical retracement for wave 4. Let me mark it here with a blue box area. It is not something where you can sell, because from here it can still extend higher and be part of a wave 3. Therefore, selling is no as of right now, and also we don't have any particular sequence. If this is wave 4, it can reach 36,762, 35,255 area. Now once we will see W and X, the best trade would be not selling wave C in black, but rather waiting to buy Y or 4 from 100%. If for example here W and X will play out this way like we show, then buying area would be 36,879, 36,310, which has already within it typical retracement to 0.236, which is sufficient. So therefore we see here the crossing of 2 areas, and from this area ideally should find support in wave 4. We should not forget that in 4-hour we have a bullish sequence. In daily we have also right side, so therefore pullback is a buy, not a sell, and in weekly we're trading at the all-time highs. The larger perspective for the coming year, after ending the entire move as a wave 1 and then pullback in wave 2, we should find support. We expect more upside in wave 3 in black, 3 in red towards the middle of the year, maybe end of the year. So once we will end here 1 and 2, acceleration higher should happen, and the long-term target is towards 100%, which is 47,410. For now, we like trading into this advance in a wave 5 in 1. Later on in weekly charts, we'll be looking to buy pullback in wave 2. So therefore, one step at a time. Right now, better not to sell this instrument, but to buy wave 4 using 4-hour charts. Using W and ticks will provide next opportunity. Don't like selling. We should know and understand that we can still break above January highs and extend, so selling is no. It can go just up. It's possible. We saw within the October cycle only shallow pullbacks, so therefore this pullback can be also very shallow before high again. But if it will give us a chance to buy in 4-hour charts, then we will be happy to buy it from 100% 1618 using W index in red later on. So this is what we have today as news. You can also look for other news on our homepage. Here we present every day another instrument and talk about it. We show also the charts. We have a text you can write. You can read it, and also you can participate in our New Year sale. Here we have limited time only offer. Then you can also try our services for $10 for 14 days. You can choose one of 3 groups, and we'll be happy to welcome you as our clients. Thank you all for watching. Take care. Bye. I will see you all next time.